remember my cornrow started from here. Okay, this is where the cornrow started from, but now see all of this is new growth. So the cornrow has shifted all the way to here. My cornrow is not here, so that means all of this is new growth. All of this is new growth. My edges is finally growing.
Hey honeys, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. Honeys, please try not to miss any part of this video so you can follow all the steps to achieve the results you'll be seeing.
You just have to try this. Thickness, I can see the length and the volume. It's amazing. Few weeks. If you've tried any recipe and it did not work, try this.
Now let's make this amazing recipe, apply it and see the results. So our first ingredient is onions, and we have the red onions and then we also have the white onions. But today we are going to be using only the red onions. Okay, that is enough for this recipe. Okay, and honeys, please try and follow this whole video. Try not to miss any part of this video, please, so you can get exactly the results like I said earlier. Okay, because this recipe is so potent, Okay, so we take it off, as you can see, that bit which sometimes got a lot of sand, and you want to wash it very well as well. We're going to be chopping the onions into very tiny pieces. Okay, now onion juice is rich in sulfur, okay, which increases the production of collagen and contains the enzyme called catalase, which nourishes hair follicles and hair follicles regrowth. It's the sulfur in onion juice that gives that smell, okay, and sometimes make you cry when you're cutting them. After cutting my onions, I'm going to be transferring it into a blender and give it a good blend, okay? And here is one of the secrets to this potent recipe, okay? The leaves of the peels of the onions, okay? We are going to crush them and we're going to add it to our ingredients. Now you don't want to miss this part, honeys. It's so important. So as you can see, I'm transferring that also into my blender, okay? And just to show you something quickly, see this part, that is the first cover of the onions. Please don't use that because a lot of the time it's quite dirty, it has sand on it. You don't want that. Take that coat off, and this is the one you want, the next one, or even the next two underneath, okay? That's what you want. And I forgot to show you, but you need to give it a good wash, okay? And then you crush it and then add it to your ingredients, okay? And like, please do not be tempted to add water when blending. Please, you need it to be concentrated for more potency. Be patient, take your time, you will be able to blend it, okay? Sometimes you can use a fork, okay, to help stir it and then help it to be faster in blending. But please do not add water. Trust me, it's doable, okay? And as you can see, I'm done, all blended, and I've got this paste, okay? There we go. And I am going to be using my Tide. You can use a cheesecloth, okay, to sift through. Look at that paste. That's it, all blended. And we are going to strain the onion juice out of this. Now, once you've finished that, you can use the rest, okay? You can cook with it if you want, even though, yes, you've got the peels. It's once you cook it, it gets softer, and yes, I've done it and it's nice. So you don't need to get rid of you don't need to waste all of your onions. You can still use it. So as you can see, there it is, and my onion juice is ready, okay? Already. Look at that. So we're going to add lavender oil to the onion juice to keep the smell. As you know, onion juice got a strong smell, so we're going to use that, and that makes it smell so lovely. So don't worry about the smell. And we're going to be transferring it into our bottle. Now I'm not going to be using the spray bottle because onion juice, we don't want it going in our faces and our eyes because when you use a spray, it will be spraying everywhere. We're going to use the applicator bottle to give it that gentle application, to be able to apply gently so it doesn't run everywhere on our faces and going in our eyes. Okay, so that's it. Your onion juice is ready to be used. We're going to move on to the next ingredient, and we have olive oil. Okay, so I'm taking that much, which is about 50 ml, okay, of olive oil, and I'm going to do the same with extra dark black castor oil. You can use whichever castor oil you want, okay, but this is a very important part as well, guys, and I'm stirring it together. Again, same measurement, about 50 ml, okay, and at the end, this is what we have. Here we go. Another beautiful color, and we are going to be applying this, guys, on our hair. So here you guys, you can see I've got my hair all rolled up, okay, and today is the 30th of June, guys, when I am starting this hair growth challenge. We're taking the two middle cornrows, okay, the two middle cornrows out, because we're going to be measuring the length of my hair before applying, and then after that we're going to be taking another measurement at the end of the challenge as well. So as you can see, we're taking 2 inches, okay, for my ends, for my edges, okay, into that area, okay, that 2 inches area of hair. That's what we're going to measure, okay. And here we go. So I had to get help because, you know, it's not easy doing it on your own. And so we got 13.5, okay. As you can see, we started right from the root in 13.5, and again, yeah, we had 30th of June today. So please do not apply the onion juice on your hair itself, on the cornrow. No, you apply it in between the cornrows, okay, on the scalp itself. Please. Onion juice is not for your hair, it's for your scalp. So please make sure you're applying it in between the cornrows, not on the hair itself. Making sure I'm doing my ends, okay, my edges, very important, and then I'm making sure I'm doing my back as well. You just want to make sure you get every part of your scalp, okay, and give it a good massage. Once you've done that, cover it with a shower cap. You can leave it in for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or now is up to you. And then after that, 30 minutes. After that, we're going to rinse it out, okay. Rinse all the onion juice out without shampooing, just warm water, okay, just rinse it out, and then we're done. And we're going to move on, okay, to the next application. So here we go. We got our oil mix, okay, and so we're going to apply that same. This time we're going to apply it on the hair and then in between the scalp as well, honeys, please. Olive oil is one of the few oils that has the ability to penetrate deep into the hair shaft. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It rebalances the hair's ability to hold moisture, which helps to retain length and give strength to the hair, nourishes and conditions your hair and scalp. And castor oil locks moisture in your hair, softens, strengthens, and thickens your hair. Some people say onion juice dries out their hair, so please make sure you apply this mixture very well, okay. You coat your hair very well with this oil mixture, okay. As you can see, I'm doing my hair, especially at the back, because that's where the most of my hair hanging out, making sure I'm coating it very well with the oil mixture, and then you give it a good massage, okay. Good massage, very important, okay, for the circulation of blood. Please don't miss this part, the massage. At least 5 minutes, massage it very well. And then I'm also making sure I'm massaging my edges because I'm trying to grow it. So honeys, it's 2 weeks later, and here we go. Look at my hair, guys. 2 weeks. Can you see the growth? Okay, look at the growth. That's what we have. Only 2 weeks of application. This is amazing. Now the question is, how does sulfur actually boost our hair growth? Let's go through this. Hair is made from a protein called keratin, and the main building blocks of protein are amino acids. Since sulfur contains high levels of amino acids, applying onion as a topical treatment to your scalp promotes cells regeneration and boosts hair growth. So yes, 2 weeks, and we are going to repeat the same way we applied the onion juice to our scalp on the first day for the next 6 weeks. Okay, we're going to do the same way, not on the hair itself, in between the scalp only. Okay, so There you go. Now, onion juice prevents scalp infection and dandruff, and you know healthy scalp produces strong, healthy follicles. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help fight infections. Infections can contribute to hair loss and thinning, also soothe the scalp and reduce any inflammation or irritation. And yes, onion juice prevents hair loss. Its richness in antioxidants and sulfur compounds protects your hair from oxidative stress, which causes hair aging and loss. Onion juice increases hair elasticity and reduces surface friction. Rich in nutrients that will nourish your hair follicles, prevent premature graying, prevent hair breakage and thinning. Onion juice increases hair volume, shine, and improve hair strength. Please do a patch test to see if you're allergic to onions or not before applying. Now I'm applying it to my edges, as you can see, because I'm trying to grow my edges, and here I'm making sure I'm pressing my fingers on my scalp, okay, and massaging it in a circular motion, making sure I'm not moving the hair, but then I'm moving my scalp, okay. So that's important. Now, even if you're not allergic, please take care when applying onion juice, okay, because it can give you a burning sensation when it goes into the eye. You can use a cotton pad to apply the juice on your scalp to prevent juice from going into your eyes and face, but that can take a long time. And I'll be doing this every other day, okay, or 3 times a week, okay. And so just take note of that. And after applying the juice and massaging, I'll cover with a shower cup, okay, for 30 minutes, 45, an hour, wash it out, and then bring in my oil, apply on my scalp, okay, and my hair as well, as you saw me do on the first day, to prevent dryness and also to help increase the growth and give that fast hair growth.
Guys, look at this. So this is the final day. This is the final day. Exactly 8 weeks today, I started applying this onion juice, and look at this, guys. Look at it. So from here, so you remember my cornrow started from here, okay? This is where the cornrow started from, but now see, all of this is new growth. So the cornrow has shifted all the way to here. My cornrow is not here, so that means all of this is new growth. All of this is new growth. And look at my edges, guys. Look at my edges. My edges is finally growing. I have finally officially got my edges back. You remember how bad my edges was, okay? I lost it, like that bald patch, and it was so hard to get it back.
This recipe, guys, like I said, if you've tried any recipe and it did not work, try this. Any home remedy that hasn't worked for you, I can guarantee you, try this one.
We are going to take this 2 cornrows, if you remember, okay, we're going to take this 2 cornrows, okay, and then we're going to measure. And if you remember as well, we did start the measurement. We did take 2 inches from my ends, okay, from my edges up to 2 inches here. So we're going to do exactly that.
I'm taking out the 2 middle cornrows, just like we did on the first day, and then I'm going to be measuring 2 inches from my edges, okay, 2 inches from my edges, just like the first day, okay, so that we know we are measuring the same hair that we measured before applying the onion juice, okay. We want to get this right, we want to get this accurate, okay, as much as possible. So yes, that's what we're doing. We want to make sure we are measuring the same hair, okay, that we measured before applying the onion juice. So yes, that's 2 inches. So here we go. So honeys, the moment of truth. Yes, the moment of truth. We are going to measure. So we're going to start with the inches. So from here we go, right there. So our tape is right at the very start of my roots, Okay, you can see the line, the very clear line. That's the very start of my roots, and we're making our way, okay, down. If you remember, the measurement that we had was 13.5 before applying, and yes, we have passed the 13.5. Okay, here we go, trying to hold on to the hair so we don't. Okay guys, we are on 15, 16. I know this side of the head is quite thin, but yes, we just want to get the length of the strands, every single strand. We just want to see. And here we are, we've gone past 17 guys. 17. Yes, the strands are quite thin, but like I said, we want to get to the ends. 4 inches, 4 inches extra. Okay, it was 13.5 and now it's about 17. You saw it. Okay, the ends of the strand, the very ends was on 17 and a little even bit over 17, but we didn't really bother about over 17 because it's quite thin at that end, so we don't want to bother about it. But 17 and a half guys, 17 and half. Oh, my hair growth challenge, this is the best. This is absolutely the best. You just have to try this. Okay, I can see the thickness, I can see the length and the volume. It's amazing. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna wash the hair and then I'm gonna come back and then we're going to see how the hair looks. Hey honey, so look on my hair, look on my hair. The hair is washed. Okay, and as you can see, I have trimmed the ends because you saw how bad my ends looked when we were trying to measure their length, okay, for the results. So as you can see, I've taken off a lot of the ends, okay, all those thin ends, we've taken them out, and this is the hair right now guys. I am loving the thickness, I'm loving it. Thank you so much guys for watching this. Thank you. I hope this will be helpful. Please try it, let me know your results. Look at the elasticity guys. This is what onion juice gives your hair, elasticity. Please like this video, please, if it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, please like it for me, I really appreciate it. So I know you want more of this, okay, and I'll be bringing you more, please. Okay, but look at the thickness guys, look at the volume. I'm loving my hair. This is high porosity hair, can you believe that? I am loving it. Onion juice is amazing. Oh my goodness, look at the hair, the volume is amazing. Thank you so much honeys, thank you so much. Love you to the moon and back. Bye.